Creating eye-catching videos can be a real challenge. Sometimes it's the time it takes, sometimes it's the technical skills, and sometimes it's just not having the right tools. But what if there was a solution that made video creation simple, fast, and completely free? Well, I found one and it's surprisingly powerful. Meet Hailuo AI, an AI-powered video generator that delivers shockingly good results. Hey everyone, welcome back to TriTech AB, your home for honest tech and AI reviews. Today, we're taking a deep dive into Hailuo AI and exploring all of its best features. Let's get started. So, what exactly is Hailuo AI? At its core, it's an advanced AI video generator that creates videos from simple prompts. Instead of spending hours editing clips, adjusting transitions, and stressing over details, you just type an idea, and Hailuo AI takes care of the rest. It understands what you want and produces a polished video in minutes. It's like having a creative assistant who works at lightning speed. For creators, marketers, beginners, or anyone under tight deadlines, this tool saves time and lets you focus on your ideas rather than the editing process. And thanks to machine learning, the results are consistent and surprisingly high quality. Now let me walk you through how Hailuo AI works. You start by visiting their website and signing in using your Google account. New users receive 1,000 free credits, which is a great bonus and enough to test everything. Inside the editor, you'll see two main options: generate a video from an image or generate a video from a text prompt. You can also choose which model you want to use and even generate up to 3 videos at the same time. Let's try the image to video feature. I upload a picture and type, "Make him smile and wave his hand." I click create, wait a moment, and the result is impressive. The gestures, facial movements, and overall realism look shockingly good for an AI-generated clip. Next, let's try the prompt to video feature. I type, "A peaceful autumn forest." Again, I hit create and wait for the output. The video looks cinematic, calm, and beautifully generated. Hailuo AI recently introduced a brand new feature called Subject to Video. With this option, you upload an image as a reference and then describe the scene you want. The AI creates a video while keeping the character's appearance almost exactly the same as the image. It's perfect for storytelling, animations, or character-based content. The results look smooth, stable, and surprisingly realistic. But videos aren't the only thing Hailuo AI is good at. Its audio tools are extremely impressive. It supports 12 different languages, including English, Mandarin, Cantonese, Korean, Japanese, Spanish, French, and Indonesian. You can choose from 6 different emotions, like happy, sad, angry, surprised, neutral, or disgusted. There's a large library of voices, and many of them sound very human-like. The text-to-speech editor is very flexible. You can paste your script, choose a language, select an emotion, adjust the speed, adjust the pitch, make the voice deeper or lighter, and add natural pauses. With just one click, you can create a professional voiceover in seconds. Another standout feature is voice cloning. You only need a 10-second audio sample to clone your voice. The AI captures tone, rhythm, and emotional expression extremely well. This feature works great for content creators who want consistent narration in their own voice. With their latest updates, audio quality and stability have improved even more, making Hailuo AI one of the most advanced free AI audio tools out there. So, what are my final thoughts? Hailuo AI is a game changer for anyone who wants to create videos or voiceovers easily. From prompt-based video generation to natural-sounding AI voices, it offers everything you need in one platform. The fact that it's free to try makes it even better. If you haven't tested it yet, head over to Hailuo AI and experiment with its features. You might be surprised by how much you can create with just a few prompts. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video and subscribe to TriTech AB for more honest reviews and AI tool breakdowns. Let me know in the comments what you think of Hailuo AI and which AI tool I should review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.